Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. On my comments, one of my beautiful subbies said, criminal on the bench. I was just like, oh, sure, right, straight, guys. I'm just like, I've never thought about it like that. I didn't get that far, but yeah, could be true.
You will see what made Rata angry. You won't believe it. You'll think it's like, oh my gosh, this guy, what's wrong with him? And then I'm sure he discussed it with Balu. He was just like, you know what, this is how we're gonna frustrate the defense and Qiniselani Buteles. We're just gonna try and break them. They're unbreakable, those people. You'll never. You saw how hot Mshololo was. She was just like, we're not leaving this judge, guys. Old or not. She was on the tip, you could see. Another thing that I noticed about Qiniselani is that he's very smart. He made this move where he said to Dr. Sibanda, can I please have the phone number where my late brother Simpiwe, I was speaking to Ntanzi, if you say that in Zoom, because I'm telling you, there is no chance my brother who would have had a relationship with Bongani Ntanzi. And he just ignores him every time he's asking for something. Dr. Sibanda ignore. He was just like, no, can I have the phone number of them if they were talking to each other? In fact, he said, if Ntanzi was phoning my brother, can I have the phone number so that I can see which number is this now? Because honestly, that statement that is reading, it's the one that Brigadier Kininda said. He is even saying, Osbandu, you know what? Brigadier Kininda came here and said, your late brother knew Ntanzi. And it is late now, so it's more like whatever. Like Kubon. Judge Rata continues, guys, to stand with the state. There is nothing on the statement. Please listen to the statement properly, guys. I had to listen to it at least 3 times. I was just like, really, bruh? Qiniselani told them straight, fairly, I'm not going to answer about accused number 1. I even said it on my other video. He even said, I don't know him like that. I stayed on another block, he stayed on another block. We're not friends. We don't greet, chances are, Oh, guys, Urata. And then he said, no, this is not my statement. I wrote until here about my brother and my incarceration. That's it. Urata actually is the one that must be arrested after he was busy threatening Uqiniselani, you are going to be arrested for 5 years or 2 years. It just depends. I'm just like, he's arrested already. What must happen? I am just like, guys, each other, guys. We have established that these people, they that know each other, but was like as if he could have just arrested all of them. Oh, guys, like, this is so crazy. Safika nini la? Gabe nje abantu abafanele ukuthi baboshwe uyena uRata for defeating the ends of justice benobrigadier Kininda noBaloyi nomntanakhe uRoni Sibanda. That's it. Other than that, guys, like, honestly, so thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. Nginthanda over.
And then it was also your testimony that this document was never read back to you. Yes. In what language were you communicating with Brigadier Kininda as well as the people that he was with? I was conversing in isiZulu, and then Brigadier Kininda. I think he was conversing in English. I'm not certain. So how did you manage to communicate with him? Yaka present head was assisting us. So as Brigadier Kininda was asking you questions, Yaka was happy as a translator. Yes. So Yaka can also attest to what was being written on this statement. Yes. Thank you. My lord, at this stage, the state begs leave from the court to then confront this witness with the contents of the statement that he signed, commissioned in his presence, interpreted by Mr. Yaka. The only issue is the one of credibility, whether indeed the witness, Mr. Brigadier Gininda, did read the statement back to the deponent.
What's the time?
It's 2:56.
Okay, fine.
The court's finding, therefore, or is the court's view that despite the fact that the statement was never read to the witness and the witness was never afforded the opportunity to read it back, the statement was adequately proven?
No, it's proving it. What are you doing now, sir?
He is saying, my lord, may I then proceed to conduct this witness
Yes.
with the content of the statement,
Yes.
despite the fact that
Yes.
the witness says it was never read back to him,
Because
and he never read it, and that's a question of credibility.
That's
Now I'm
it.
asking this court is therefore of the considered view that despite that
Yes.
necessary
Yes, the
requirement,
court
the
is-
state has been proved.
the court is of that view because
Thank you, my lord.
the doctor is trying to prove the statement.
No, thank you, madam.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. It says First Lawrence case 636 of 10/2014. I'll make a copy available to Mr. Donasi. The original is I, the undersigned, Beniselani Beki Kutintwa Butelezi, born 1986 0806. ID number, I will not read it. State under oath in English. I want to ask questions.
Ifundeka ngale ndlela mina-ke obhaliwe-ke la ngaphansi uqiniselani ibheka kuthintwa Buthelezi wazalwa-ke ngeyi-6 zika-August 1986 ngifundeke i-ID number isho lokhu-ke okubhaliwe la ngesingisi.
And do you confirm this is your name and surname?
Uyaqinisekisa ukuthi-ke la amagama akho kanye nesibongo sakho? Yes.
And then do you also confirm that this is your date of birth as well as the ID number?
Uyaqinisekisa futhi nokuthi-ke ilanga-ke nonyaka owazalwa ngawo lona kanye futhi-ke nenamba yakho kamazisi?
Ngiyaqiniseka unyaka. ID noma ngayazi ukuthi ngiyibona eqala khona ngiyazi apha sekugcineni.
Yes, I can confirm the year, the ID number, although I'm not certain when it comes to the last number, but at the beginning, yes, I can confirm the ID number.
And then who provided this information to Brigadier Gininda?
Ubani owatshela uBrigadier Gininda noma wanikeza uBrigadier Gininda le mininingwane?
Mina ngamnika ukugcina la with date of birth. Wanikwa emails. Na la date of birth.
I'm the one who provided him the information, but up to the date of birth.
But you also did give him your full names as well as the surname, correct?
Kodwa amagama nesibongo okwena, yes.
And then it reads, I am an adult male born 1986 0806 and currently incarcerated in Kalakabusha Correctional Service as of 17 October 2018. I am originally from Machamhlope, Kwanongoma.
Ngiyaqhubeka-ke ukuthi-ke ngiwumuntu-ke osekhululeke wesilisa owazalwa 1986 0806 kumanje njena-ke ngivalelwe-ke ejele laseKalakabusha ukusuka-ke ngeyi-17 October 2018 nokuthi-ke ngibuya-ke eMachamhlope Kwanongoma. Yes.
Do you confirm all this information?
Uyaqinisekisa konke lokho okubhalela? Yes.
Did you provide this information to Brigadier Gininda?
Wena watshela uBrigadier Gininda lokho? Yes.
And then that was through the interpreter of the day, Mr. Yaka?
Kukhona-ke utolika ngalelo langa umnumzane uYaka? Yes.
I would like to state that Marco Kulikani Siyabonga Buthelezi was my biological brother. Marco was born 1982 February 12.
Ngifisa-ke ukusho ukuthi-ke uMarco Khulekani Siyabonga Buthelezi kwakuwumfowethu-ke ngizalwa naye ukuthi yena-ke uMarco wazalwa ngeyi-12 February 1982. Yes.
And then furthermore, just on the previous paragraph that you were incarcerated at Kalakabusha prison as of 17 October 2018, did that information come from you?
Lokho kubhalelana kumasanhlela nje umuva kokuthi-ke ngisejele laseKalakabusha-ke ukusuka ngeyi-17 October 2018 wena wakusho lokho? Yes.
And that Marco Buthelezi is your brother? This information?
uMarco Buthelezi umfowenu wena wakusho lokho? Yes.
And they also gave the name Kulikani Siyabonga Buthelezi. Was it you?
Lana-ke kunamagama uKhulekani Siyabonga Buthelezi kwakuwena? I mentioned the name of Marcos and Siyabonga. I never mentioned the name of Khulekani.
And then you confirm his date of birth as well?
Uyaqinisekisa ukuthi-ke wazalwa-ke ngalo nyaka ngayo le date ngale nyanga? Yes.
Paragraph 3. As of 23 August 2013, both of us, Marco and myself, were incarcerated, detained, and kept in prison. paragraph 3.
Okay. Ukusuka-ke ngo-2013 nge-23 August sobabili-ke mina nomakho saboshwa sagcinwa-ke noma savalelwa-ke sagcinwa-ke ejele azange sagcinwa ejele. Yeah.
Is that correct?
Kuyiqiniso lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Who is the source of the information?
Ubani owakhuluma lokhu?
Amen.
It's me.
In front of Brigadier Gininda,
Phambi kwakhe uBrigadier Gininda.
Yeah.
Yes.
as well as Mr. Yaka.
Naye umnumzana uYaka.
Yeah.
Yes.
No bail was granted on both of us. We were incarcerated in Freyhead Prison from 2013-08-23 to 2016-10-18.
Azange siyitholeke i-bail sobabili savalelwa-ke ejele lase-Freyhead ukusuka-ke ngo-2013 23/08 yofika-ke nge-2016 10/18.
2016
2016-10-18.
Yes, nge-18 nyanga ka-October ngo-2016.
Is that correct?
Kuyiqiniso lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Who gave Brigadier Gininda this information?
Ubani watsho uBrigadier Gininda lokhu?
Yeah.
It's me.
Was he writing this information as you were talking to him?
Ngabe wayekubhala lokhu nanjengoba wena wawukhuluma umtshela?
Yeah.
Yes.
I was then arrested again in October 2018 to date.
Ngaboshwa futhi-ke kusuka ngaye-ke u-October ka-2018 kuzofika manje.
Yeah.
Yes.
Paragraph 4. During the year 2014, myself and my brother, Marco Buthelezi, were in prison.
Ngonyaka-ke ka-2014 mina nomfowethu uMarco sasisejele. Yes.
Is that correct?
Kuyiqiniso lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Who was the source of this information?
Ubani owakhuluma lokhu?
Okay.
I was the source of the information.
I will further state that I know personally Muzi Sibiya, who is my homeboy from Kwanongoma.
Ngiyafisa ukusho noma ngiyathanda-ke ukusho ukuthi-ke ngiyamazi uMuzi Sibiya owumkhaya wami-ke buya kwaNongoma.
Sebenza lapho.
Okay.
Samsigcina la okhuluma la. uMoses Sibiya njani yenze ikhona lo sigcina la.
Let's just hold it right there. Mine ends right here. The witness pointing out where it ends with, during the year 2014, myself and my brother Marco Buthelezi were in prison. The witness says mine ends just there. Now with regards to Moses Sibiya was my homeboy, I know nothing about that.
Okay. Do you personally know Muzi Sibiya?
Wena uyamazi uMoses Sibiya?
Ngaze ngibona uma ngiyasho ngaze ngibona lapha hostel.
I know him just by sight of I seeing him there at the hostel, as I earlier on indicated.
Yes, Mr. Buthelezi, my question is, do you personally know Mr. Sibiya?
Kodwa-ke umbuzo wami kuwena ukuthi wena nje uwena uyamazi uMnumzana Sibiya?
Yes, ngibona.
Yes, just by sight by seeing him there at the hostel.
And then you also said in the statement that he's my homeboy from Kwanongoma.
Siyaqhubeka-ke istatement noma kubhaliwe lapho istatement ukuthi-ke umkhaya wami ubuya kwaNongoma.
All right.
Alright.
And it was your evidence earlier on that you said Muzi Sibiya is a homeboy from Kwanongoma. Or whoever that you saw that at Basuki Hostel, you would assume that they're from Kwanongoma.
Bekubufakazi bakho-ke futhi nangesikhathi kuqala-ke ukuthi ubufakazi la ekuseni-ke ukuthi-ke wawumbona-ke laphana e-hostel nokuthi-ke umkhaya wakho ubuya kwaNongoma nokuthi-ke wena-ke ukuthi-ke abantu laba ababese-hostel wena utshela ukuthi abantu ababuya abaqhamuka kwaNongoma.
Yeah.
Yes.
Muzi Sibiya used to stay at Basuki Hostel in Vosloorus.
uMuzi Sibiya wayehlala eBasuthwini hostel eVosloorus.
Okay, yes.
Okay, I hear.
Does it accord with your evidence that you gave earlier on today?
Ingabe lokhu kuyahambisana yini nobufakazi bakho obetholile phambi kwale nkantolo uma uqala nje namhlanje noma nenkulumo yakho ishilo la enkantolo namhlanje?
Ukuthi uMoses ngiyamazi ngibona hostel kuyahambisana.
That I know Sibiya and I used to see him at the hostel, it accords.
So nje statement sami mina ngasho ukuthi ngento sasicina ubusha wami ngikaze ubusha wami nomfowethu okunye ngayo angisakwazi ukuqhubeka.
But with regards to my statement, what I said to Gininda, it goes to as far as my arrest together with my brother. But anything else that is happening here now, I know nothing about it.
Okay. But what is written here that I just read to you falls within your personal knowledge.
Kodwa-ke lokho okubhaliwe lana engiqeda ukufundela kona kuyinto oyaziyo noma kuyinto onolwazi lwayo lokho engiqeda ukufundela kona.
Lokho ukuthi kuqhubeka la kukhuluma ngoMoses Sibiya ngikwazi. Lokho seqhubeka ngoMoses Sibiya.
What is what is contained in here with regards to Moses Sibiya, I know nothing about it. As I indicated, that I just know him there at the hostel.
But it's correct that Muzi Sibiya was staying at the hostel according to your evidence.
Kodwa-ke kuyilona iqiniso ngokufakazi bakho ukuthi ngempela uMuzi wayehlala khona e-hostel.
Yes.
Yes, I hear.
You didn't say that. Can you testify about that?
May I not respond to that?
Why not? You've been responding.
uba ngikwazi lokho sekuqhubeka la ukhuluma ngoMoses Sibiya.
Because that which is written here, mentioning Moses Sibiya, I know nothing about it.
But I'm talking about the fact that you said Moses Sibiya, while you used to see him at the hostel, he was residing at Basiping Hostel.
Kodwa lana manje ngikhuluma nje ngalokho okushilo wena sir.
As the court pleases, my lord, sorry to intervene for the cross-examination here. The evidence earlier was that I know Moses Sibiya. I used to see him around the hostel. He has never said he used to reside at the hostel. As the court pleases, my lord.
Was Moses Sibiya also residing at the hostel?
Umleleki akushoyo ukuthi okukhulunywe ufakazi ngaphambilini ukuthi nje akaza ukuthi umuzi wayehlala e-hostel ukuthi wayevamise ukuthi ambone nje khona lapha yana.
Was Moses Sibiya residing at the hostel prior to the witness's arrest in 2013?
Ngaphambi kokuboshwa kwakhe ngo-2013 ingabe umuzi wayehlala yini e-hostel?
Yabantu yambona khona.
Yes, I used to see him there.
Thank you. I was asked and questioned by the police on the case of Senzo Meiwa. I told them the above information.
Oh, okay. Ngabuzwa amaphoyisa noma bengipheka-ke ngemibuzo mayelana-ke necala likaSenzo Meiwa. Ngabatshela-ke lokhu okubhaliwe la ngaphezulu. Yes,
Did you tell that to Brigadier Kininda?
ngabe wakusho yini lokho kuBrigadier Kininda?
No, basho some statement engasikho ngogcina sagcina la. Bengathi ngikhomba khona. Yes. Mina waseqhubeka sibhala, angazi ukubhala la mfana ngibuza.
As I said, that my part with regards to the statement and with Brigadier Kininda ended here where it reads about my incarceration as well as my brother, and he carried on writing. I didn't know what it is that he was writing, and I was also not going to ask him.
Sir, was it not your evidence earlier on today that Brigadier Kininda did not take the statement from you, it was taken by someone else?
Ingabe bengasibona ubufakazi bakho yini namuhla ukuthi-ke uBrigadier Kininda kwangasiyena owayebhala istatement sakho kwakuwomunye kulaba ayehamba nabo okuyena owayebhala?
Mina ngabona kwabhala omunye ngizwe imali enkantolo ukuthi Twisela sikaKininda kumshushisa.
I saw someone else writing, but I heard it here in court when the prosecutor said that this is Brigadier Kininda's handwriting.
Sir, I put it to you that you are fabricating your evidence as we go along.
Mina ngithi-ke kuwena ukuthi-ke manje ubufakazi bakho usuyabulungiselela-ke nanjengoba siqhubeka amagama-ke usuyabushintsha ubufakazi bakho.
Angikwazi ukushintsha ngoba vele angikwazi ukukhuluma ngayazi ufaka senzo.
I cannot fabricate it because indeed I would not have been able, I would not have said something that I know nothing about with regards to Senzo's death.
Thank you. I skipped a line, a very important one. He knew me and my brother Marco very well.
Wayengazi kahle mina nomfowethu uMarco. Yaqhubeka ithi mina nomfowethu uMarco wayesazi kahle.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I hear you.
Did Moses Sibiya know you and your brother very well?
Ingabe umuzi wena nomfowethu wayenazi kahle?
Mina ngifezile ukuthi umuzi ngimazi mhlawumbe yena wayesazi kahle. Thina simazi kahle.
Maybe he knew us very well and we don't know him very well.
But you were residing together at Basiping Hostel during the time.
Kodwa-ke ngaso leso sikhathi leso-ke nanihlala nonke eBasotho Hostel.
Yebo, sihlala kwenye block, la ihlala kwenye block.
Yes, we were residing in one block and he was residing on the other block.
I further told the police that I suspect Moses Sibiya is the person who may try to mislead the police by moving the blame from him and shifting it to me and my brother.
Ngisola-ke ngiyasola-ke ungabatshela amaphoyisa yebo ngabatshela amaphoyisa ukuthi-ke ngiyasola ukuthi-ke uMoses Sibiya uzama-ke ukuthi-ke adukise umkhondo-ke noma-ke adukise umkhondo emaphoyiseni ngokuthi-ke akhombe kumina-ke angakhombi kuyena noma-ke angakhulumi ngaye akhombe mina nomfowethu.
Angakusho kanjani nje lokho ngoba phela umuzi ayijwayethe yithi bese ngiphinde ngithi nguye futhi angakusho kanjani.
How would I have said that? Because Muzi pointed to us and said it was us. So how would I now have said that it was him?
Did you give this information to Brigadier Kininda?
Ngabe wakusho yini lokho Brigadier Kininda?
Ukuthi umuzi uthi yithi. Yebo, ngezwe ngayo Brigadier Kininda ukuthi umuzi uthi mina makhe sibarisent.
I heard from Brigadier Kininda that I said it earlier on as well. I heard from Brigadier Kininda that Muzi was saying that it was myself and my brother.
Did you say this to Brigadier Gilinde as well?
Lokho bhalo lana-ke manje angiphinde futhi-ke ngawatshela amaphoyisa ukuthi ngiyasola ukuthi-ke umuzi uyena-ke ozama ukuthi adukiseke umkhonde emaphoyiseni ngokuthi akhombe kumina nomfowethu angakhombe kuyena. Uyabuza ukuthi wakusho yini wena lokhu kuqinile?
Angikwazi ukusho into engayazi ukuthi ngithi ngiyasola ngisola umuntu ngokufa komuntu.
No, I cannot say something like that. I cannot say to the police that I suspect someone with regards to someone's death.